Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to unpair Bluetooth speaker. Friends, you want to unpair guys your Bluetooth speaker guys with your Samsung phone. So friends, how can you unpair? So let's see friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you need my channel, so guys first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friend, first of all guys, open your phone setting to unpair this speaker. So as you can see this type of setting guys, click on first one, connection setting, click on guys Bluetooth setting. And guys you can see guys we have paired this JBL Go speaker and guys we want to unpair. So guys tap here right side. As you can see unpair, disconnect and rename option. So you want to rename, so guys tap here to rename guys. You can rename this speaker name. So I don't want to rename, so I want to unpair. So guys it will unpair and guys we will off it. Then guys you cannot use this speaker guys, you will have to pair again. So I hope friends you have understood how to unpair Bluetooth speaker to our Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Then guys we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.